This video we are going to be looking at how to develop online product selling business website builder. Example of this kind of script is StoreMart SaaS. Now let's look at how this script is going to look like after developing it. But before that, let's just talk about some features. These are an e-commerce script in a nutshell, how to build it. So now this is how it's going to look like after developing it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. After purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. From my cPanel to my file manager. So from here, I go to the subdomain we are going to be using for this testing purpose. I've already uploaded my script. Next, I'm extracting it. Extract files. After extracting, I close it. Let me open the extracted file. I'm going to select all the content in it, remove them to the root folder. Move files. Now I click on back. After that, I'm copying my subdomain name. Open my tab as a new tab. Paste it there and enter. Next, check requirements. All are set. I click on check permissions. Okay, set. Configure environment. Please select how you want to configure the apps. Okay, form wizard setup. App name, let me say my app name should be StoreMart. Let me say StoreMart like this. Okay, set up database. Now I will go back to my cPanel, then to my database, so I can create this database. Okay, manage my databases. So now let me name my database as StoreMart DB. I click on create user, create database. Sorry. The database has been created successfully. So next I'm going to create the user for the database. So let me scroll down. Then name my username as user. Yes. Then I click on create user. User created successfully. Next, I'm going to add my user to my database. So let me scroll down to add my user to my database. I'm going to make sure I select the one I just created, which is StoreMart. Yes, this is it. For my database, I'm going to do say add. Now I'm going to give all privileges to the user. Make changes. That's success. Now let me copy my username. Back to my site. This is my SQL. Yes. my database username. Let me edit this one. This is my database name. Next, I click on install. I've successfully installed my script. So the default admin created. This is it. This is the login credentials. Click here to exit. Don't forget this. This is my email and these are my credentials in Notion. Click here to exit. I have successfully installed my script, and if I want to log in, I can click on the login button to log in, but I'm not doing that. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.